Did you know that using ChatGPT, you can earn passive income in the easiest possible way? In this video, using a new method, I explain to you how you can earn money even in your sleep using ChatGPT and change your life. In this video, we use a new method to generate income that you have not been told about even in paid training courses. Well, first of all, you should familiarize yourself with the Udemy website. Udemy is a website for buying training courses in different categories. These courses are posted and sold by regular users. Now we want to find out what is the most popular and best-selling topic on this website in order to create a training course about it. We have two ways ahead. The first way is by using the category section of the Udemy website. The second way, which is very convenient, is by asking ChatGPT. Udemy has a very wide category section, and you can find any skill you have in it. Each category section has a subcategory, and each section has a section called Popular Topic, where you can find very good ideas and create a training course about it. Now let's ask ChatGPT which are the best-selling Udemy training courses. As you can see, he has offered us various topics such as music, design, fitness, marketing, etc. But if you are skilled in it, you can earn much more money than normal subjects: development, SEO, and language. If you are skilled in one of these subjects, a lot of income is waiting for you. Well, now we want to review some of the best topics that we mentioned and see the best-selling courses in that field. For the first example, we start with SEO. Well, as you can see, successful courses in this subject generate more than $6,000 a month. And in this part, it's showing us from which part of the website those registers got equipment with this course. And now, in this section, we can see the best courses in this subject. The price of these courses are below $20, so that everyone has the conditions to buy these courses. As I said in the previous videos, discounts have a great impact on product sales and make the audience pay more attention to your course. As you can see, all these courses have discounts. And if you want to have a successful course, be sure to use the discount for your product. In this section, he's showing us the topics related to SEO. For example, I use WordPress and I want to analyze this part as well. WordPress is also a very good topic for creating a course. As you can see, it shows us the monthly income of $10,000, which means that the income of this topic is more than SEO. These numbers are not very high incomes. And in the rest of the video, I will tell you topics that have 5 times the income of these topics. Another subject that had a very good income was development. For example, we want to check web development. Wow, this is very profitable for you. One of the most popular Udemy courses is web development. And if you have skills in this area, you should start a course on this website. I say again, you have to say this. These topics can also have high incomes because they are related to web development. Another differences between these courses and other courses is that they have a higher price than other courses. And this is one of the reasons why they experience higher income. Now you may be wondering what ChatGPT wants to help us now. You can use ChatGPT to find the script of your courses and display them with PowerPoint or Google Slides and record your course. Let's go to ChatGPT to explain this part better. For example, we want to create a course about web development. First, we ask ChatGPT to give us an outline of the course you want to create. Now ChatGPT found all the chapters of the courses for us. Now we have to send each part of the course to ChatGPT and request a script for each of them. Now, because we want to display the course as a slide, we request Chat GPT to display these texts for us. Google Slides is a complete tool for making sliders and provides you with all the possibilities. You can change the color, text, and font size, enter different backgrounds, and it will provide you with all the facilities that you can have in PowerPoint. You can even add animation to the text of the slider, so that by clicking on any text, that text will be displayed for you with animation. For this, just select your text, and after that, open the animation section in the Insert menu so that you can use this feature. Now, if these steps seems difficult to you, you can use the Slides.go website. This website has ready and free sliders in all categories that you can easily use and choose beautiful sliders for presentations. This website has both PowerPoint and Google Slides formats. It's also recommended to use your own voice for voiceover, because in this case, you will not get into trouble and users will welcome these courses better. But if you want, you can also use artificial intelligence voiceovers. The MERF website is one of the best artificial intelligence voiceover websites that has several different male and female voices, and you can choose any one you like for your course. The voices you get from MERF are very natural because they made with artificial intelligence. But as I said, this method is not recommended for you. So, now how to record the training course. For this, you can use the OBS program, which is used by many content producers because it's small in size and can be easily run on all computers. Now, using this program, you can record and play the sliders you made with your own voice or artificial intelligence voice and put these courses in Udemy. Well, this is the explanation. I hope it was useful for you. I myself want to take a training course in one of these areas, and in the future, I will share the results of this course with you. If you have such skills, make sure to use this opportunity and create training courses. I hope you have learned new things from this video. If the content is useful for you, be sure to like the video. And if you like this style of content, be sure to subscribe.